So this project is actually to study a group of neurodegenerative disease. In particular, is Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. Huge challenges for the society right now. In particular, for most of the developed countries, including US, aging is a big issue. And with the aging of the society, you will have more and more of this type of patient. That's not only be a kind of a challenge for themselves, but also be a big problem for the whole family, because you need people to take care of them.
This is one of those areas of research that's under-addressed. And there's a reason for that. Big Pharma goes after what's really easy, what is offering a good return on investment, but has little risk. For us, it is about the toughest problem and the biggest problems. What we're really doing in a dish is what you normally have going on in the brain, where you have little tau that's oligomerizing, multimerizing, aggregating, and then spreading in the dish. So it's a recreation of what's happening in the brain, and what eventually breaks down the brain are these tau fibrils. It goes from being able to not just model that, but also to be able to test in high throughput, testing tens of thousands of conditions, drugs a day.
We are using a mouse model to predict where this disease protein will go by mathematical modeling. And then we can match our prediction with the actual experimental result to see how good is the model. And the most important thing is that we find many brain regions that couldn't be explained by the model. What that means is, what are the genes that potentially regulate the spreading process, so which are very attractive drug targets.
Here we can actually freely work as a force multiplier, being able to take comparatively modest sums of money and transform them into proof of concept into insights, but also candidate molecules, be this now antibodies or proteins, small molecules, you name it, that then eventually can go into the clinic.
Most creative ideas are coming in this form, right? It's new because nobody have done it before. So this funding, I think, really give us a chance to try it, to prove to people that, okay, if you put down a little bit of resource, we can show you that this mechanism could really work. Combining mathematical modeling to the functional study really give us novel hits that could be used for potential therapy in the future.